Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Make It Make, where I try to live by the motto, if you can't get it to make, then make it make. And that's pretty much what I did in making this quail coop. It's taken me months to finish. You know, my cousin and I worked pretty hard on it, but it is finally done. And I don't know, I'm just excited to show you guys, what it looks like now. Okay, so let me assure you that this quail coop is not 100% level or square. I just basically did the crazy quail math and put it together, and whatever was in my head, that's what we did. And that definitely caused for some problems. If you do decide to put a quail coop together or any type of coop, I definitely recommend, writing it down, because if not, you run into problems like I did. Wait a second. Okay, sweetie. I gotta make sure that we're leveled, or we have the same amount of distance on both sides here before I start. Yeah. Are you sure? Why don't you go put one up on here?
Yeah, you got a pre-drill?
Yeah, it's done. Yeah.
This one is not quite as bad.
This one bows more.
Yeah, I can see it on this angle.
So when in doubt, just write it down. Another thing that came about was after we put on the roof onto the plywood, I noticed that there were gaps in between them. So, and especially that we're higher up here, I was really worried about rain getting underneath the roofing, which would defeat the whole purpose of having the roof in the first place. So my solution for that was just putting some caulking here and up top there. I'm not quite sure what the rules are with, how you're supposed to do that, but that's the best solution I came up with, so I'm really hoping that that works. This is the area that the quail will be in when they want to be outside of the coop. And I did build a tray system. I have one tray here and another tray over there. And pretty much what I did was take some plywood and put some metal sheet around it. And I did that for both pieces. It was gonna be one full piece, but that would have been really heavy. So I kind of went against that. I also needed to make sure that where they are to get out of the elements, that they had some sort of ventilation system. So I put a vent here and in the back as well. It's a pretty simple system. It is sort of like a cross ventilation. As we made the slits, I just put a little bit of hard wire on here and the same thing on the back. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video.